How about another story? I'm not sure where you came from. Oh, I know who you are, and I can send you somewhere. Where will you send me? Who will I become? And can I actually return to who I am? Will anybody know who I was? Now, where in the world can we get this answer from? Well, I'm going to show you. It's a mathematical equation, and you can use any number you want. We're going to use the number 5, right? Can you see the number 5 over here, right? Or does that show up as a number 2? But when I use this number, if you multiply this times 3 equals to, I'm not going to cheat, 15. Now that 15, 1 plus 5 equals 6. So now I turn the 5 into a 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 by 8 is 24 is 6. So if I would divide any of them, how would I know which one it is? So there's a mathematical equation for that one too. 3 times what, or divided by what, equals to what? 15, okay, is a 6. But where did it come from? It came from 5. So I needed 3 times 15 to become 6. What about 24? Well, I need 3 times 8 to be 24. So all you'll do is take all your numeric values of 6, 15, 24, 33, and that's it. Are there any more 6s? 15, 51, same 2 numbers. 24, 42, same 2 numbers. Are there any other 6s? Well, how about 96? Because 9 plus 6 is your 15. So if you divide 96 by 3, you will equal to 30 what? You will equal to 32. So somehow that does not work. So there's something a little bit complicated knowing that it's on another level. Is that correct? Almost, because the 32 is 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 3 times 5 equals to 15. So the rotation of where and what 15 could be and where it comes from back into the place of energy of what it is and is to be. So I'm going to just show you this little design I have, a little piece of art I have. And I'm just taking all these boxes, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, okay? And this is what pi is all about, okay? There's 3 numbers. There's 81 numbers, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 numbers, okay? 10, 20, 30. There's going to be 40 of them. There's going to be 1,000 numbers that are going to be separated between 1, 4, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we are going to use 3 numbers at a time to show you, okay, that pi, the mathematical equation, was only the mathematical equation because of what it was reduced to and reset for the equation to be eternal. Because the equation does repeat itself, but you don't see it with the naked eye because it's a mathematical equation. And do I have the complete answer? I have the basis of the answer for having a vision a little bit deeper than where does it begin to repeat and is it continuous? Because that's not the way it works to the naked eye. Is it black and how did it become black? Can you understand the concept? Raphael, 70 to 86, and the relativity of understanding, is he crazy or not?